Everyone at my school called me a fag. At home I was lied to, blowing my dad. So now I would like to kill all of the Jews. I just saw my gas bill and I want to die. But before I go I will tell you goodbye. I will be back someday in the form of Tom Cruise. In another life I will take the world. I will make it wonderful for all the white people. If you're not a white, I will make you slave. Turn you to soap and wash my schwarz and stuck around your face. I know it sounds gay. I could have lived my life in a better way. I could have been nicer to gypsies and gays. People in the wheelchairs I never should have raped. I know this now. Why did I put numbers, tattoos and Jews? However could I know the result I could lose? Now that numbers for how much the Jews will sue. But in another life I will gas them all.